everyone, I'm Mixed Media Girl, and today we're going to do an awesome rainbow acrylic pour on this 10 by 20 canvas. I will be using the Arteza pre-mixed pouring paints. These are ready to go right out of the box. You don't need to mix anything with them or do anything. You just go ahead and pour. And good news for anyone who has looked at these before, you used to only be able to buy them in the entire box. They now sell the individual colors, which is really great. All right. So for this 10 by 20 canvas, we need a little bit over 12 ounces. And like I said, this is going to be a rainbow pour. So I'm going to be using quite the wide variety of colors. I go ahead and actually just pour them from the bottle like this so we get less air bubbles. So this is going to take me a minute because I'm going to do a lot of colors. So I'll go ahead and speed this part up. All right, I've got all of my colors in the cup. This looks gorgeous. So let's go ahead and start pouring. This is going to be a traveling tree ring. I used a ton of really bright colors. That looks amazing. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start slowly tilting this. And just so you guys know, underneath here I have a Lowly Vefe silicone mat. And the awesome thing about that is this paint that's running off of my canvas will run onto the mat. I put my canvas over in the drying space, and then that paint on the mat dries and is made into what are called acrylic skins. And from there I can make those into jewelry and all kinds of other projects. So I highly, highly, highly recommend the Lowly Vefe mats, bowls. Their entire line of silicone products is amazing. All right, there's our gorgeous picture. Let's go ahead and let it sit for a little while. We'll see if anything else moves around and adjusts, and then we'll do our close-up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do our close-up. I'm gonna try to avoid the glare as much as possible. So this paint does not tend to move too much after you have poured it onto your canvas. So it's pretty much the same. I am so happy with this. For those who regularly follow me on my social media, you probably know how much I love tree rings and how much I love lines in my paintings. Check out this awesome corner. It is so like delicate in colors, and then you have this crazy bright neons over here. I am totally in love with this piece. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to look down in the description for all of the materials, including the mats, including the paints, and I will see you all next time.